Hello friends, back again on your boy channel. Okay guys, behind me there are 3 trucks which are very cool. There is a yellow color, there is a red color, and also a purple color. There are a lot of toys here. Whoa, there are so many toys, friends, and colorful. We'll put the toys one by one into this truck, guys. But before continuing, click subscribe and like the video. Okay, guys, let's take the first toy and load it into the first truck. Whoa, there is a car transporting animals from the zoo. We take it again. Look, guys, here is a blue Tayo bus car toy. His name is the Tayo. He is very cool. We take it again. Okay, here's a coal transport truck. This coal transport truck is blue in color. We take it again. Yep, guys, here is a Toy Wow Motorati. This very cool motor has 4 wheels. Whoa, we keep it in the truck. We take it again. There is also a toy racing horse here. This racing horse is brown in color. We take it again. And we found a truck carrying sand. We take it again. Whoa, here there is a black toy car, which is a police car. We take it again. Okay, guys, here there is a Biko car toy. This Biko car is yellow in color. We take it again. Whoa, look, guys, I found a container truck carrying heavy equipment. We take it again. And the toy here is a dinosaur, and its name is Stegosaurus. We take it again. And this one has a toy camel, guys. We take it again. Okay, guys, here's a toy horse. Whoa, he is yellow in color. We take it again. Look, guys, here there is a plane, and this is a helicopter plane. This helicopter plane is yellow in color. We take it again. And now, there is a racing car toy. This racing car is blue in color. We take it again. Whoa, this one is the Millipede Caterpillar's toy. We take it again. Look, guys, here is a blue Tayo bus car toy. His name is the Tayo. He is very cool. We take it again. Whoa, there's a toy bus. This bus is named Laney. This Laney is a friend of the Tayo. Wow, cool. Whoa, and this is a police motorcycle toy. We take it again. Whoa, and here we find a toy dragon animal. This dragon animal is red, guys. Whoa, look, guys, I found a container truck carrying heavy equipment. Look, guys, and it turns out that this is a white racing car. Whoa, there is an excavator car. This car is orange in color. He's very big, isn't he? And look, guys, all the toys are in the truck. And let's take it home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.